All right, happy Monday. It's actually Sunday evening, but happy Monday, Algebra A. Here's the rundown for this week, April 20th through the 24th. Today, in addition to watching this weekly rundown video, I've posted the notes for part 1 of section 4.2. So there's a video with the completed notes, goes through step by step. There's also a blank copy that you can print off to follow along, or you can put them in your notebook if you want to follow along that way, that's fine. As you watch that video, feel free to pause or go back as many times as you need to, so that you can write stuff down. Again, I just went through it, piece by piece, but I didn't physically pause in the video, so go ahead and stop as you need to for time purposes to write things down. In addition to that, your assignment for Monday is worksheet 4.2 number 1. That is going to be due on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. On Tuesday, I will do a live help session at 2 p.m. on Google Meets. The password or nickname code for that is AA Kosanke, all one word. So you go to Google Meets, type in AA Kosanke, and hit join. Mr. Stuvey and I will be up there at 2 o'clock so we can answer any questions that you have at that point. Again, worksheet 4.2 number 1 is due on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Wednesday, worksheet 4.2 number 2 will be assigned. That is going to be due on Thursday. Again, on Thursday, we'll do a live help session at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Again, the access code is AA Kosanke, and worksheet 2 will be due Thursday at 11:59. Friday is a catch-up day, so if you've fallen behind or have work you haven't turned in yet, use that day to get caught up, get that stuff turned in. We want to be able to get grades in the grade book for you. So take advantage of Friday with no new notes, no new homework. Just get caught up on my class or any other classes where you're behind, and we'll go from there. All right, have a great week. We'll see you soon.